Assalamualaikum, the name is Muslim. So in this video we are going to learn JavaScript operator and operand, then another chapter. So I will create here and file and I will tell. So in the title I will write here operator and operand. You can say one more thing. You can say Athomatic. You can say to here. First I will create a paragraph with the IDA and then a script tag. Here I will tell you what are operator and what are operand. First I will create a let a equal to document dot element by the ID. The ID is a. Now I will create a let b equal to what? 12. So simply I had written here what? I had created here a variable with the name b and with an data type of float and operand. That an operand with float. This is an operand. If I create here let c equal to 12 too, like not 12, that will be 14, like that the same right here. So if I write here what a dot inner HTML equal to what? B plus C7. You can go like from here. We are going to wait. It's starting and basically the plus will show us what? That will call us the operator. So that's it. So that's called Java. So that's it, the operator and operand. So thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, don't forget to press the bell icon button and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I will meet you in the next video with my new content. So take care.